trying to change the future of mobility by devising its omnidirectional tire WheELBOT, a 360-degree moving tire that can be installed in vehicles. The robot will glide smoothly in any direction, and this might change the game of parking. For instance, since drivers who find parallel parking a challenge could just stop their car and move sideways into the limited parking space. No longer needing to furiously rotate the steering wheel to get a good angle, WheELBOT into a robotic tire that can easily navigate whatever direction it heads, WheELBOT to move in any direction, not only on the road but also inside a building or anywhere without a road. WheELBOT at Design Innovation Day in Seoul, where attendees could check the actual driving and operation method of WheELBOT, capable of semi-autonomous driving and remote control. Autonomous Charging Robot. Introducing the revolutionary autonomous charging robot that's here to change the game for electric vehicle owners everywhere. With its state-of-the-art AI and robotics technology, it is designed to offer a seamless and efficient EV charging experience like never before. But that's not all. It comes equipped with Parky, a portable and easy-to-use charging station that lets you charge your EV anytime, anywhere. And the best part, you don't need to lift a finger. It operates autonomously, locating your EV, connecting to its charging port and initiating the charging process all on its own. With advanced safety features such as obstacle detection and avoidance, it ensures a completely safe charging experience, and the user-friendly interface makes it super simple to monitor the process as it charges your EV. Not only is it a convenient and efficient solution for EV charging, but it's also environmentally friendly, eliminating the need for energy-intensive and space-consuming conventional charging stations. And compared to traditional charging stations, Parky is a cost-effective option for EV owners. Overall, of our autonomous charging robot, Parky is the ultimate solution for EV charging, delivering unparalleled convenience, efficiency, and safety to EV owners. XDR80TE at Chinese development. A local company is impressed that domestic and global mining market by introducing an electric mining truck. Electric mining truck has completely removed the operating cab and supports two modes: remote control and fully autonomous AI control. The truck is equipped with multiple functions, including visual and acoustic sensors, laser radar, millimeter wave radar, and cameras. Under the full autonomous mode, the AI technology can automatically set the destination and plan the routes following the mining operation system's production schedule, while enabling coordinated operation with other equipment regardless of automation. The XDR80TE, its large capacity 500 kWh battery, can be traditionally charged or swapped out at a power station in less than 6 minutes for uninterrupted operation. This innovative technology opens up possibilities for fully fledged digital mines where tasks are assigned from a control center and smart dump trucks. Ear cleaning system. Where traditional cotton swabs can be a thing of the past, meet the Odo-said ear cleaning system, a revolutionary device that provides a safe and effective way to maintain the health of your ear canal. Say goodbye to pushing earwax deeper into your ear with those pesky cotton swabs. This device typically includes a bold-style syringe and replacement tips, making it a hygienic option for personal or family use. The gentle flushing action of the sirens removes earwax and debris from the ear canal, promoting overall ear health and preventing blockages. It's easy to use too. Simply fill the sirens with warm water and gently flush the ear canal. It's that easy, but the best part, it's safe and gentle, reducing the risk of injury to the delicate tissues of the ear. Plus, it's designed with hygiene in mind. The replaceable tips help prevent the spread of bacteria and germs, ensuring each use is clean and hygienic. So if you're tired of using cotton swabs and want a safer, more hygienic option, it may be just what you need. R12 Rex CS. An award-winning manufacturer of professional cleaning robots with over 1,000 robots across 30 countries, announces the launch of its newest creation, the R12 Rex CS, a cutting-edge cleaning robot designed to tackle warehouses, factories, distribution centers, and large indoor spaces, eliminating the need for pre-sweeping and streamlining the process to keep facilities spotless. The powerful design includes a brush pressure of up to 95 kilograms, a cleaning width of 1,270 millimeters, and twin cylindrical nylon carbide coated brushes for a polished finish. The side brushes push debris inwards effectively, even from the edges of the walls, allowing the Rex CS to clean up to 100,000 square feet in a single charge. X Fixe Wing Drone. X Fixe Wing Drone, produced by the pioneering Swiss company Since Live. Primarily, this drone is a mapping mastermind engineered with survey and inspection missions in mind. It is capable of capturing stunningly high-resolution aerial imagery and topographic data with a ground sampling distance of up to 2 centimeters per pixel, rendering it an optimal tool for creating detailed digital terrain models and high-resolution maps with a range of up to 7 kilometers. This drone can cover vast areas without requiring a ground control station, which boosts the efficiency and flexibility of mapping missions. It has a fixed-wing design that allows it to travel across large areas, efficiently fly for longer durations than multi-rotor drones, and saves time and cost associated with traditional ground surveys. Moreover, the X is equipped with centralized motion flight planning software that enables it to fly pre-planned missions autonomously, reducing the need for manual control. Weighing only 2.3 kilograms, this drone is both lightweight and portable, making it effortless to transport and deploy in various environments. With an endurance of up to 90 minutes, the X can cover large areas in a single flight, revolutionizing the mapping and inspection industries.